Welcome to the Lower Wilmot Hall. I'd like to take this opportunity to talk to you about the beginnings, the history, and the many memorable events that happened in this great building. Back in the 1920s, the local dances were held in an old granary on Back Road. Yes, an old granary. No wonder they needed a new hall. After many discussions and the odd little argument, a plan was set. A piece of land and building materials were very generously donated. Armed with hammers and baskets of scones, the building began. The local families passed the hat around and gave what they could to build their community hall. If these old walls could talk, the stories they could tell, they would tell you about the dances, the dresses, and even the first kisses. They'd tell you about the suppers for celebrating the many special occasions. Who doesn't love a country cook? It was a station for ration cards during World War II and the voting booth. This hall was voted the best badminton hall in the Northwest. Many a shuttlecock bounced off these walls. Even today, it's remembered fondly for the original youth group, which ran every week for more than 30 years.
Now, why would you?
Many years later, and the old girl was looking a bit shabby, so the council shut it down, they put it up for auction, and a new owner was found. Tanya and John's goal is to restore the hall back to the good old days. If you have memories of small halls, you'll know how important they are to small communities. Once they're gone forever. Tanya and John are putting in the hard yards, but they need financial assistance. The Lower Wilmot Hall spirit is being kept alive by them, holding community band nights. You can see that this is a popular place, but it needs a lot of work to get it up to speed. This is where you come in. Tanya and John need your help to raise the money they need to finish the hall. Please support them in their mission to restore the Lower Wilmot Hall to its rightful place as a venue for the entire community. Hop onto the GoFundMe website or the Lower Wilmot Hall Facebook page. Thank you.